Woohoo! Medical Lake 2026. Oh. Great Blue Heron. We're gonna annoy him a little bit. Hold that shot. Look at him. Boom. National Geographic. What? Oh, look at these adorable fucking ducklings. Or just adorable. You don't have to swear when you're talking about them. Oh, these big old granite blocks look crazy. Ooh. There he is. Look at him go. No one leaves anymore. Whew. All right. What's so special when the light's off, huh? Ooh. Close to I would have fucking drugged that stump. Oh no. Crab pot. Branches, stuffs, all the things. Some of the things. What's up, Quacky buddy? Little fucking log right there. That. Yep. That would explain those two cuts. You're a ballsy one, dude. I'll give you that. All right. Not today, grocery bag. Not today. Come here. Throw away your trash, people. Seriously. It's not that hard. A billion trash cans around. Lake, not one of them. No matter what you think. Medical Lake is not the place to put your plastic trash. Crazy people. Oh, I'm clearing that. Please. Cleared it. What's up, man? Having fun?
Yeah.
Good. Keep it up. It only gets more fun.
Yeah, I can tell.
Two loons just running on the water. Look at them go. Hell yeah. That's so funny. They just go running. Like Stewie from Family Guy. Well, back in the day. They're just sitting at the second shelf right now, man.
What's that?
They're just sitting on the second shelf.
Deep?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. man. You guys actually hit him one of these times. You're gonna have to get in there and save his ass.
Oh.
Maybe a marmot? I don't know. But I'm gonna get this pool noodle. Ew, lake scum. Ew. Ew. Ew, I don't want to touch that. Ew, get off. See him right there? He's gonna fly soon. There he goes. Awesome. Whew. Sorry, buddy. I offended geese last time. Now I'm offending the Great Blue Heron. All right. Sorry, bud. Oh my goodness. Look at these little guys. Look at these little guys. This is what Mama Duck was worried about with... Look at them all. Just duck under there. Oh, springtime baby quackers. Quack, quack, guys. Quack, quack. That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at those little quackers. Oh my god. Fluffy doggers. Fluffy thing way up there. Yeah, I was just talking about you, buddy. Yeah, I was saying you were fluffy. Not mean or scary at all. No matter what you try to be, buddy. You done got poodled or something. Oh, really? Hey, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing?